Welcome back to our Sirix tutorial. In the first part, we provided a general overview of the platform and explored the different sections of the interface. Now, in this second part, we're going to delve into the asset list. The asset list is where you can view all of the available assets on Sirix along with their sell and buy prices. This section is divided into several key areas that we'll now explore in detail. First up is the search area. This feature allows you to quickly locate a specific asset you wish to trade. Simply type the name of the asset directly into the search bar. This makes it easy to find what you're looking for without scrolling through long lists. The different categories can be found here. Assets are organized into distinct categories based on their type, such as cryptocurrency, forex majors, world indices, and more. This categorization makes it easier to find assets that fit your trading strategy. Within this section, you will also find assets that you have marked as favorites, allowing for even quicker access. To streamline your trading process, you can mark frequently traded assets as favorites. Simply click the little star icon on the left-hand side of each asset to add it to your favorites list. This ensures that these assets are easily accessible under the favorites category, saving you time and effort when you need to make quick trading decisions. The Assets section provides a comprehensive list of all the assets available for trading on the Sirix platform. Each asset listing includes important information such as the current sell and buy prices. This allows you to quickly assess the market conditions and make informed trading decisions based on real-time data. This is the Sell button. The Sell button is a crucial feature for traders looking to take a short position on a selected asset. By clicking this button, you initiate the process of selling the asset with the expectation that its price will drop. We will cover the detailed mechanics and implications of short selling later in the tutorial. Here we have the spread. The spread represents the difference between the bid, buy, and ask, sell prices of a security or asset. It is a key concept in trading as it effectively represents the cost of executing a trade. A narrower spread generally indicates a more liquid market, while a wider spread can signify higher trading costs. Understanding the spread is essential for optimizing your trading strategy and managing costs. This is the Buy button. It allows you to take a long position on a selected asset. By clicking this button, you initiate the purchase of the asset with the expectation that its price will rise. Later in the tutorial, we will delve into the specifics of executing a buy order, including how to set target prices and manage potential risks. Let's summarize the key points of the asset list. Search area. Quickly locate specific assets. Asset categories. Organized by type for easy navigation. Favorites. Mark frequently traded assets for quick access. Assets. Comprehensive list with current sell and buy prices. Sell button. Initiate short positions. Spread. Understand trading costs. Buy button. Initiate long positions. Now that we have covered the asset list in detail, let's move on to the next area of the Sirix platform. We will explore the essential buttons for executing trades, including the one-click trading, sell, and buy buttons.